In this lecture video, I am discussing about Reimer-Tiemann reaction. And first, see what is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. And what is Reimer-Tiemann reaction? In Reimer-Tiemann reaction, when phenol molecule is heated at 70 degrees Celsius in presence of CaCl3, this is chloroform and aqueous NaOH, and followed by acidification, give this salicylaldehyde, or this is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Here which functional group get first priority? CHO group. Therefore, with respect to this CHO, this hydroxy group at ortho position, therefore this is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. And this reaction is called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. And here in Reimer-Tiemann reaction, actually what happened? Phenol molecule heated, when heated at 70 degrees Celsius in presence of chloroform and aqueous NaOH, and followed by acidification, give this orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, and this reaction is called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. And what is the mechanism behind this Reimer-Tiemann reaction? Here at first, this sodium hydroxide, this NaOH molecule in presence of water, aqueous means in presence of water, it ionized to give Na plus and OH minus, means at first this NaOH molecule ionized to give Na plus and OH minus. And in the mechanism, in first step, this OH minus react with CHCl3, this is CHCl3, and this OH minus combine with this, and to combine OH minus with this hydrogen, this pair electron shift towards this carbon, and this carbon develop negative polarity, hydrogen positive polarity, and here H plus combined with OH minus to give H2O. And when this lone pair of electron in between carbon and hydrogen shift into carbon, give lone pair electron with negative charge. And next step, what happen in this carbanion? In next step, here another chlorine atom removed HCl minus, because already this carbon contain negative charge, and this pair electron does not shift towards this carbon, and Cl removed by taking this pair electron HCl minus. And on removing this chlorine with lone pair electron, here this chlorine gain positive charge, then this carbon gain chlorine negative charge, then carbon positive, and positive negative charge neutralize to give neutral divalent carbon. Here carbon contain 2 bond, therefore divalent, and without charge neutral, this is divalent carbon atom having one lone pair electron in its valence shell, this is called carbene. And here this carbene carbon contain 2 chlorine dichlorocarbene, and this dichlorocarbene act as electrophile. And next step, what happen? Phenol molecule are acidic, and this phenol molecule acidic, here this phenol ionized to give O minus H plus, therefore H plus here combined with OH minus to give again water molecule, and here phenoxide ion, this is phenoxide ion, O minus is formed here, and this O minus is electron releasing group towards aromatic ring, or it show plus M effect, positive mesomeric effect. And here negative charge oxygen contain lone pair electron, and when this lone pair electron shift towards aromatic ring, here formation of double bond in between oxygen and carbon, and this pi bond shift towards this carbon, and when this pi bond shift towards this carbon, what happen here? Here this carbon also contain one hydrogen, and when this pi bond shift, first mechanism, when this pi bond shift towards this carbon, here in carbon there is negative charge, and this negative charge lone pair electron form bond with this carbene, and when this negative charge formed with neutral carbon, this negative charge shift into this carbon. And in next step, what happen? this negative charge attract this hydrogen, and when this negative charge attract this hydrogen, what happen, this pair electron shift into ring, and here a formation of multiple bond takes place. At the same time, there is this pi bond in between carbon oxygen shift towards oxygen, then here in oxygen there is formation of negative charge. Here negative charge is formed, here multiple bond is formed. When this carbon hydrogen bond shift into aromatic ring, and this H plus migrate to carbon and it is formed like haloalkane, carbon halogen bond. And in carbon halogen bond, sodium hydroxide aqueous, here aqueous NaOH, therefore halogen are replaced by a hydroxy group from NaOH. 2 sodium, when we take 2 NaOH, 2 sodium combined with 2 Cl to give 2 NaCl, and 2 hydroxy group are substituted at the position of these 2 chlorine and give 2 hydroxy group. But if carbon contain more than one same OH group, so if same carbon contain more than one hydroxy group, it is less stable. And what happen, there is elimination of water molecule. When this OH and H remove, give again water molecule byproduct, and here remaining atom, 1 carbon, 1 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, then 1 carbon, 1 hydrogen, 1 oxygen gives CHO aldehyde functional group. There is formation of aldehyde, and here phenoxide ion. And finally, when we acidify this with dilute HCl, here H plus combined with O minus to give OH functional group, and here which compound, salicylaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is obtained. And this reaction also takes place at para position, at ortho, at para. But which product is measured? Here ortho product is measured and para product is minor. And this is the mechanism behind Reimer-Tiemann reaction, and this is also applicable for 12th class BSc level as well as for MSc level. There is involvement of same mechanism in Reimer-Tiemann reaction.